Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to look at this one. But what if I told you there's more inside? There's only one way to find out. So let's go! Okay, so we have here seemingly a what if Heroclix play at home kit. And you can already see that we have the play at home kit figure, Spider-Man with the cloak of levitation on the window. Okay, so we have here Owatu. Taking a look quickly at the box. Okay, so you can see the information about the play at home kit here. Experience the events of Marvel Studios What If in a brand new play at home kit release. Play at home kits are a great way for players to get an awesome new character and brand new map to match the Marvel Studios Disney Plus set. What If reimagines the MCU in brand new ways, leading to unique events and characters, and finds Spider-Man in this set as he battles with some friends against zombies. Okay, so this figure is much cheaper than the super rare one in the main set. Okay, primarily because the main set figure comes with the cloak of levitation, which is a very meta figure. So I was not lucky to pull that Spider-Man, and one of my friends, Heinz, wanted to really have this Spider-Man because he's collecting Disney Plus figures. So I'm doing it for him. I was able to trade for this figure from Errol with a bunch of Batman team-up figures. But aside from this one, we also have, of course, part of the deal, some X-Men related figures. And these are ding, generics. We have the generics White Priestesses. We have 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. And the generic Green Priestesses. Okay. So thank you, Errol, for the trade. I collect a bunch of generic for X-Men related generic figures, so this is definitely a welcome addition to my collection. Okay, and we also have, as part of the trade, a tarot card, which is the Page of Wands. Okay, the first time each turn Outwit is used, they choose 2 powers instead of 1 on the same target character. And of course, we have the play at home kit Spider-Man. So you can see the figure here in this window, and you can see, let's take him out. Where is he? Okay, let's pop him out. Okay, so he is set number 100, Avengers, Spider-Man family, and scientist keywords. Real name Peter Parker, and +5. Really? You think I could pull it off? He can start with the Cloak of Levitation equipped, and he has one trait. They're not all gone. At the beginning of your turn, Spider-Man may generate a bystander on this card not already generated this game. And these are the bystanders. The Scott's Head, Kurt, and Happy Hogan. Okay, Scott's Head has dad jokes, perplex shape change. Kurt has outwit. And Happy Hogan has passenger 3 but only to carry Spider-Man and bystanders generated by Spider-Man. So that's the dial. At 50 points, charge, precision strike, senses, and 2 special damage, which is, I was just showing the orientation video. Perplex, when Spider-Man uses it to target a friendly character that doesn't share a keyword, that until your next turn, that character has the Spider-Man team ability, which is good because now this team ability has been bumped up, okay, to not just be a team player, but to have senses that succeeds on a 6. Okay, so this has been errated in the new power and abilities card and comprehensive rulebook. Okay, and towards the end of the dial, the last 2 clicks, he has a special defense power, keep smiling when they can't stop when another, so he has double stop. Ooh. When another friendly character is KO'd after resolutions, heal a friendly character 1 click. So that can also mean himself. friendly character, so even if it's just the bystander. So for 2 stop clicks, for 50 points, and again, he has senses, +1 because he has the Spider-Man team ability. This is really a good figure. Okay, probably equip him with the cloak or some other damage improver like RCE. Oops, sorry. Okay, so very, very nice. So thank you very much, Aaron, for the trade. Heinz, one figure goes to you. One more, one step closer to completing the Disney Plus want list. Bye-bye, everyone!